There was a lord who lived in this town, who had a lovely, handsome daughter. She was courted by a fine young man who was a servant to her father. And when her parents came to know, they swore they'd ban him from the island. The maid, she swore that her heart would break had she to part with young Matt Hyland. So straight away to her love she goes, into his room to awake him, saying, "Arise, my love, and go away. This very night you will be taken." I overheard my parents say, in spite of me, they will transport you. So arise, my love, and go away. I wish to God I'd gone before you. They both sat down upon the bed, just for the sight of 1/2 hour, and not a word by either said, as down their cheeks the tears did shower. She laid her head upon his breast, around his neck her arms entwined them. Not a duke nor lord, nor an earl I'll wed. I'll wait for you, my own Matt Hyland. The Lord discoursed with his daughter fair, one night alone in her bedchamber, saying, "We'll give you leave for to bring him back, since there's no one can win your favor." She wrote a letter then in haste, her heart for him was still repining. They brought him back, to the church they went, and made a lord of young Matt Hyland.